Hey, Austin from Houston. Just enjoying this beautiful beach view. The Victorian. Got a condo for sale. Very, very affordable. This is unit 9118. Right on the seawall. Not like right on the seawall. Close enough to hear the beach, but not close enough to, be in front of all the traffic. But I love the owners of this condo. They take incredibly good care of it. This has been a short-term rental in the past. So you can see how nice and cozy this is. Here's the bunk beds. Everybody loves these. So beautiful condo, unit 9118 on the bottom floor. It has 2 televisions. So again, I'm Austin from Houston. You wanna live on the beach? Here's your chance. Give me a call.
Thanks again for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or if you have any suggestions that I can add to this type of content or anything else that you want to see me talk about, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and help support the channel. And again, your friend Austin from Houston. Anything you need, let me know.